I have a vendetta against pre-made pasta sauce. I also have a vendetta against taco seasoning, the packet. I don't like my taco meat to be a mushy mush. To me, that's just gross. It reminds me of baby food. Actually, it reminds me of cat food. I'm not about that life. It's so easy to make your own. I promise you this will change the way that you have taco meat. You can use this in enchiladas, tacos, whatever. We're using it for nachos today, so this will be kind of like the focus of the video. But when you think of nachos, sometimes it's like, doesn't seem as easy to make at home, but we're gonna show you a way that is so easy. It's our go-to. So yeah, it all happens in a sheet pan, and you throw in the oven, you set and forget it, and it's so good. Let's get at it. We'll use the shallot. This is for the taco meat. Finely dice it. This is the special ingredient. Chipotle in adobo sauce. You find this in a can in the Mexican aisle. These are packed with flavor. We're only gonna use 2 of them, so we won't use the whole can, but they store in the fridge very well. I have 2 peppers along with about 2 tablespoons of the sauce that it's in. Make sure you put it in a separate bowl. Don't try to cut this on your cutting board unless you want to stain the absolute crap out of it. So just throw in a bowl, and we're gonna use them skizzers. All right, we have a pan on medium heat. Spray some oil in. We're using Impossible meat today instead of ground beef, but go ahead, use whatever you want. We're gonna try to flatten out the meat as much as we can to get the most surface area of cooking. We're gonna let that sit for about 2 minutes, don't touch it. Now we're gonna add a pinch of salt, maybe 2. Oh yeah, that's what dreams are made out of. Break it up into small pieces, in goes the shallot, and then crush 2 cloves of garlic. Completely that one. And saute until it becomes really good. A tablespoon of chili powder. Chipotle pepper.
Pepper?
Chipotle pepper. All the pepper in the world. Half a cup of water. By this time the meat has all been cooked, so just try to break it up into small chunks however big you want it. I don't need mine to be like sloppy Joe. I like to have a little bit of texture in mine, so you do whatever your beautiful heart desires.
Oh, that was nice.
Didn't use oil on purpose because a lot of fat releases from the Impossible meat, and even more so if you use real meat. If you want more watery, definitely add more water, but I think this is perfect for us, dude. So my oven is preheated to 375. We're gonna put the chips, the meats, and the cheese. And for the cheese, we're using a vegan cheese today, or a plant-based cheese. The V word is scary. It's gonna be a mixture of pepper jack and cheddar. We're using 8 ounces total. You can do any combination of cheeses. Another good one is smoked Gouda and sharp cheddar. We'll use this whole bag of chips because we're nacho lovers. Next, we're gonna put our meat, and it's good that it's drier than like a normal taco meat because who the flip wants soggy chips?
I want it crispy. I want it crispy, and I want it now.
That was awesome. And cheese her up. I start from the edges and work my way in. Is that the best way in the world?
Yes.
I haven't decided yet.
Yes, it is.
We're gonna put this in the onion for 10 minutes.
Did you do that on purpose?
Yeah, I sure did.
You need to tell them that you meant oven.
I meant to say oven. BRB. So, lesson learned, plant-based cheese does not melt the same way that normal cheese does. We ended up actually baking this for 20 minutes total and tried to broil it, still didn't melt. It's still gonna be delicious. We're gonna put a bunch of friggin' toppings on it. Follow along. Lettuce. A little bit of red unski. Diced Roma tomatoes. Tomato. Black olives. Half a jalapeno, diced up. Be sure to wash your hands well afterwards. Alright, here are our nachos. We got a side of guac. Click up here if you haven't seen that recipe already. It's pretty good. Homemade salsa from Susie. I'm starving. Let's get at it. Alright, here we go, nachos and some wine. Oops. Cheers. Let's dig it. The toughest part is to find the perfect chip, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Cheers.
Gotta do the nacho dance.
Susie, I don't know what you do with your salsa, but it's delightful. Let's try some of this guac from a previous episode of Panda's Kitchen. iceberg lettuce literally has zero flavor and zero nutritional value. It's quite useless for you. But the texture it provides is just like, you know what I'm saying? It makes me happy. That's all that matters. I don't know what else to say. It's nachos. Pop a beer, pop a glass of wine. Do whatever you want. Let's have a good time. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, the microphone's so far away. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
Let me know what you want to see next. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.